Greetings, esteemed viewers. Welcome to Insurance World TV, your go-to channel for all things insurance. Here, we demystify, simplify, and bring clarity to the world of insurance. We encourage you to join our community by subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments section. Don't forget to visit our website at www.insuranceworldtv.co.ke and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Insurance World TV and on Twitter at InsureWorldTV. Stay tuned as we delve into an interesting topic today: Millennials, Gen Zs, and insurance. Before we dive into the insurance aspect, we need to understand who exactly we are talking about. Who are these Millennials and Gen Zs? Let's start with Millennials, also known as Generation Y. These are individuals born between the years of 1981 and 1996. So, as of today, they're typically aged between 27 and 42. Now let's move on to Gen Zs, the digital natives. They're the ones born from 1997 onward, making them 26 years old or younger as of now. These two generations are distinct in their own ways. Millennials, for instance, witnessed the dawn of the internet era and are known for their adaptability. Gen Zs, on the other hand, were born into the digital age and are famed for their tech-savvy nature. Each generation has its unique characteristics which influence their perspectives on various aspects of life, including insurance. While there is no one-size-fits-all description for any generation, Millennials and Gen Z tend to exhibit some distinct characteristics based on the unique cultural, economic, and technological contexts in which they have grown up. Here are some general differences in characteristics between Millennials and Gen Z. Millennials, born roughly 1981 to 1996. Technology adoption. Millennials witnessed the rise of the internet and the advent of mobile technology. They are often considered the first generation to be digital natives, adapting to the internet and social media as it became an integral part of daily life. Economic challenges. Many millennials entered the workforce during or after the 2008 financial crisis, facing economic challenges such as high student loan debt, housing costs, and job market uncertainties. Values. Millennials are often associated with valuing experiences over material possessions. They are socially conscious and are more likely to support brands and causes that align with their values. Career ambitions. Millennials are known for seeking purpose and fulfillment in their careers. Work-life balance, flexible schedules, and opportunities for professional growth are important to them. Education focus. Higher education is a common goal for millennials, and many entered the workforce with college degrees. This focus on education can sometimes contribute to higher levels of student loan debt. Gen Z, born roughly 1997 to early 2011, digital natives. Gen Z has grown up in a world where smartphones, social media, and instant access to information are the norm. They are even more tech-savvy than millennials, having been exposed to technology from a very young age. Entrepreneurial spirit. Gen Z is often characterized by a strong entrepreneurial spirit. They are more likely to engage in side hustles, freelancing, and self-employment, seeking diverse ways to make an impact and income. Diversity and inclusion. Gen Z is known for its commitment to diversity and inclusivity. This generation tends to be more aware of social issues, advocating for equality and representation across various aspects of life. Pragmatic and realistic. Growing up in a post-2008 economic landscape, Gen Z tends to be pragmatic and realistic about their career prospects. They value financial stability and are likely to prioritize practical skills and experiences. Individual expression. Gen Z places a high value on individual expression and authenticity. They appreciate brands and influencers that showcase realness and diversity. Global connectivity. Gen Z is globally connected thanks to the internet and social media. They are more likely to have friends and influences from various parts of the world, contributing to a global perspective. It's essential to recognize that these characteristics are broad generalizations, and there is a wide range of individual variation within each generation. Additionally, as time progresses, the characteristics and behaviors of these generations may continue to evolve. Now that we know who we are talking about, let's explore their relationship with insurance. First, let's explore their population. According to the 2021 UN estimates, Gen Z, that is those born in 1997 to 2011, aged 12 to 26 years, are currently the most populous generation in the world, with 1,861,643,846 inhabitants, representing 23.64%, surpassing millennials, born in 1981 to 1996, aged 25 to 42 years, with 1,756,956,343 inhabitants, representing 22.31%. This totals to about 45.95% of the total world population, which is a huge market for any product or service. The question is, how does the insurance industry preparing to handle these two generations? Insurance, a word that can evoke different reactions from different people, especially among our younger generations. Millennials and Gen Zs, often perceived as invincible by themselves and others, tend to view insurance with a bit of skepticism. Common misconceptions include the belief that insurance is too expensive, unnecessary, or simply too complex. There's also a fear of being swindled, of not getting a fair payout when the need arises. But let's debunk these myths. Insurance is not just a safety net, it's an investment, a commitment to one's future. It's about empowerment, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. And as for the fears, with transparency, education, and clearer communication from insurance providers, we can move past these concerns. Incentives can also play a pivotal role. Tailored plans, flexible payment options, and benefits that resonate with their lifestyle can make insurance more appealing. Understanding the need for insurance is the first step. Next, let's look at some suitable insurance policies for our Millennial and Gen Z viewers. Insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all deal, especially for Millennials and Gen Zs. So, what are some suitable options? Millennials and Gen Z have unique lifestyles and preferences, and the insurance industry has adapted to offer policies that cater to their specific needs. Here are some types of insurance policies that are particularly relevant for these generations. 1. Health insurance. As young adults, Millennials and Gen Z should prioritize health insurance to cover medical expenses. Many employers offer health insurance plans, but individual plans can also be purchased. Look for policies that provide comprehensive coverage, including preventive care and mental health services. 2. Homeowners or renters insurance, also known as domestic package. Given that Millennials and Gen Z are more likely to rent homes rather than own, renters insurance is essential. It protects personal belongings, such as electronics, furniture, and clothing, against theft, fire, or other covered perils. It may also provide liability coverage. 3. Auto insurance. For those who own or use vehicles, auto insurance is a must. Policies can vary widely, so it's essential to find coverage that fits their specific needs, whether it's basic liability, comprehensive coverage, or additional options like roadside assistance. 4. Term life insurance. While life insurance might not be a top priority for everyone in these generations, term life insurance can be a sensible option, especially if they have dependents or outstanding debts. It provides coverage for a specific term and is generally more affordable than whole life insurance. 5. Personal accident, commonly referred to as disability insurance. Disability insurance provides income protection in case of a disabling injury or illness that prevents the insured person from working. This is particularly important for individuals who rely on their ability to work for income. 6. Pet insurance. Many Millennials and Gen Z individuals are pet owners. Pet insurance can help cover veterinary expenses in case of illness, accidents, or other health issues affecting their furry friends. 7. Travel insurance. As generations that enjoy travel, Millennials and Gen Z may benefit from travel insurance. This can cover unexpected events like trip cancellations, lost baggage, or medical emergencies while abroad. 8. Cybersecurity insurance. With the increased reliance on technology, cybersecurity insurance can protect against losses resulting from cyber attacks, data breaches, or identity theft. This is especially relevant for those who use online platforms extensively. 9. Gig economy insurance. For those involved in the gig economy, specialized insurance policies may be necessary. This could include coverage for freelancers, rideshare drivers, or individuals participating in the sharing economy. 10. Critical illness insurance. This type of insurance provides a lump sum payment if the insured is diagnosed with a covered critical illness. It can help cover medical expenses and other costs associated with a serious health condition. When selecting insurance policies, it's important for Millennials and Gen Z to assess their individual needs, lifestyle, and financial goals. Working with an insurance advisor or utilizing online tools can help them make informed decisions about the types and amounts of coverage that best suit their circumstances. As you can see, there is an insurance policy for everyone, tailored to fit your unique needs and circumstances. Encouraging Millennials and Gen Z to consider insurance is crucial as they navigate the challenges and uncertainties of the modern world. Here are some key points to emphasize when discussing insurance with these generations. 1. Financial security in uncertain times. Highlight the unpredictable nature of life and the potential financial challenges that can arise from unexpected events such as accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters. Illustrate how insurance can provide a safety net, offering financial protection and peace of mind during difficult times. 1. Customization and flexibility. Emphasize the variety of insurance options available, allowing them to choose policies that align with their unique lifestyles and needs. Whether it's health, renters, auto, or life insurance, there are flexible plans to suit individual circumstances. 1. Digital accessibility and convenience. Point out the technological advancements in the insurance industry, making it easier than ever for Millennials and Gen Z to research, purchase, and manage insurance policies online. Highlight user-friendly mobile apps and digital platforms that offer convenient access to policy information and customer support. 1. Long-term planning and investment. Discuss the role of insurance in long-term financial planning. Encourage them to view insurance not just as a protective measure, but as an investment in their future financial well-being. Illustrate how life insurance and retirement plans can be integral components of building a secure financial foundation. 1. Community and social responsibility. Highlight the interconnected nature of insurance, emphasizing how individual participation contributes to the overall well-being of society. Share stories of how insurance has played a positive role in communities, showcasing the broader social impact of responsible insurance practices. 1. Educational resources. Provide educational materials and resources that explain the basics of insurance, demystifying terms and concepts. Use easy-to-understand language to empower Millennials and Gen Z to make informed decisions. 1. Peer testimonials. Share testimonials or success stories from peers who have experienced the benefits of insurance firsthand. Personal anecdotes can resonate strongly and help overcome skepticism. Discounts and incentives. Highlight any discounts or incentives available to Millennials and Gen Z, such as good student discounts, safe driving rewards, or wellness program benefits. Making insurance more cost-effective can be a motivating factor. By addressing these points, you can engage Millennials and Gen Z in a meaningful conversation about the importance of insurance and how it can be a valuable asset in securing their financial future. In conclusion, insurance is an essential part of financial planning, regardless of your age. To our Millennial and Gen Z friends, it's particularly important for you to grasp the value of insurance as a safety net for life's uncertainties. The policies we've discussed today are designed to meet your unique needs and aspirations. So take a moment, reflect, and consider securing your future with a tailored insurance policy. Thank you for tuning in to Insurance World TV. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in our next video.